we are here in the lobby of the Riverwalk Marriott in San Antonio, Texas. Now, these two elevators right here only serve the ballroom, the river view room, the river terrace room, which is part of the parking garage. So those are the only floors that these two elevators serve right here. And these four elevators right here serve the guest floors. So we're gonna go up right here. We have one sitting here on peak up. We're gonna go to 30. Very fast. But already went out. Go down to the lobby. Door close button works. So these are nice elevators. And these used to be Dover, and they were modernized by Schindler. These are your fixtures. We'll watch the button go out. Here are at the lobby. And now we'll go up to 25, which is where my room is. Here are at 25. Now I'll show you what our room looks like. There it goes. And our room is down here. Whoops. Nope, it's actually down here. I can't tell the sides apart of this hotel. Kind of annoying. So yeah, our room here is 2504. It's gonna be over here. Here it is. Now I'll show you what the room looks like. So we'll actually start here in the bathroom. Usually I end with the bathroom, but this time we're gonna start. So, hi. So here we have a sink. And you got your typical hotel, like shampoo and stuff like that right there. Here's a shower, we're not gonna turn it on. Here's a toilet, let's flush it. Closet with a safe that looks like a microwave. And then it's got your two double-sized beds and a single hide-a-bed, which is where my sister is sleeping. She looks like an angel. And those are my parents sleeping right there. It's got your large flat screen LG television. It's got a refrigerator with nothing in it. And I think that's all that's in this room. Oh, and I didn't show you the best part of it. Out here is the best part of this whole thing. This is the balcony. You get to see a nice view of downtown San Antonio. So yeah, this is one of the best views in the whole of San Antonio. That over there is the Hyatt Regency with the glass elevators. Unfortunately, I did not get to videotape those yesterday. Down there is the mall, and according to one of the guys when we did one of the boat tours, that's the only mall with a river going through. There's one of the parking decks, and down here is the Riverwalk. There's almost nobody down there. Okay, and I guess that'll be it.